how deep love and connection can change your life forever. Theme: a motivational journey of emotional and physical intimacy, purpose, and healing. Have you ever wondered, what makes a love story last forever? What makes someone feel deeply seen, safe, and loved? It's not just hugs, not just kisses. It's something deeper. It's understanding. It's connection. It's the care you give every single day. Welcome, brave soul. Welcome to a journey of real love, of healing, of becoming the best version of yourself, for you and for the person you love. Chapter 1. Real connection begins in the heart. We all want love, but real love is more than what we see in movies. It's about knowing what makes your partner smile and what makes them cry. Ask them, what makes you feel safe? What do you need to feel loved? These questions change everything, because love is not just touch, it's truth. Chapter 2. You grow stronger when you love gently. You may think strength is power, but real strength is gentleness. It's holding someone close when they feel weak. It's saying, I'm here, I'm not leaving. Even when things get hard, the strongest couples don't fight against each other. They fight for each other. So, how do you grow this kind of love? By listening, by being present, by making every moment count. Chapter 3. Intimacy is more than just the body. Yes, being close matters. But what if I told you that the deepest pleasure starts with the mind? It's about trust. It's about feeling safe to be yourself. When two hearts feel connected, even holding hands can feel like magic. Do you want to feel more joy with your partner? Try this. Before being physical, sit together. Look into their eyes. Breathe. Be silent. Feel the connection. Now that is real intimacy. Chapter 4. Change starts with you. Maybe your relationship feels hard right now. Maybe you feel alone. But here's the truth. You have the power to change everything. Not by fixing your partner, but by healing yourself. Start loving who you are. Start speaking kindly to yourself. You are enough. When you rise, your love rises too. When you heal, your bond grows stronger. You can be the reason everything gets better. Chapter 5. The Warrior of Love. Some people think love is soft, but love is brave. Love takes courage. You are not just a person in a relationship. You are a warrior who chooses kindness, who chooses to forgive, who chooses to grow again and again, even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when it would be easier to give up. You are strong. You are worthy. You are enough. Twist. What if love could save a life? Let me tell you a secret. Some people are walking around feeling broken because they've never felt seen. Your love could save someone. Yes, yours. Your words. Your hugs. Your patience. What if today your love is the thing that helps someone believe again? Believe in love. Believe in hope. Believe in themselves. That's how powerful your heart is. Chapter 6. Simple ways to build deeper love. You don't need fancy things. You don't need perfect bodies. You just need a smile in the morning, a hand to hold, a kind word when things go wrong, a heart that says, I'm with you, try this tonight. Before bed, tell your partner, thank you for being with me. It's small, but it changes everything. Final chapter. You are the change. Remember this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be real. Real love is made of daily effort. Real change begins in small, quiet moments. So today, choose to love better. Choose to connect deeper. Choose to live with an open heart. You are not just here to survive. You are here to transform. If you felt something in your heart today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This journey is just beginning. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers together and build a family where hearts heal and love grows. Drop a comment below. What does real connection mean to you? Until next time, stay strong, stay loving, and keep rising, because your love has the power to change the world.